The toilet can be rotated 90 degrees left and right. Pick up the integrated lid and seat cover. Pick up the refill bag guide cover. Remove the refill bags, unpack it, and then open it. Place it on the refill bag guide with the arrow facing up. Remove each of the 4 adhesive strips. Pull up the outermost layer of the refill bags. Cover the refill bags guide. Make sure the buckle is properly fastened. Then grasp the edge with one hand and lower it into the groove. Use the jig to find the position of the wheels and push it down hard. Remember to put the jig back in place. Cover the integrated lid and seat cover. Then you can start normally. Press the power button, and then press and hold start to begin. The integrated lid and seat cover is closed and the lower hatch is closed. These 2 conditions must be met before the machine will perform the sealing process. Wait a moment. Open the lower hatch and remove the first refill bag. Only one side will be sealed. Close the lower hatch. The rest can be used normally. Pour in the coagulant. Pour in a cup of water to test the coagulant. Cover the integrated lid and seat cover. Press and hold start to begin. Wait a moment. Both sides are sealed perfectly, with no leaks. The bag is very sturdy, and the coagulant is very effective. Put the bowl back and close the hatch below for next use.